How to change the ringtone. It popped up. When in the video I was just showing you it, I'm going to show you one other thing. You press settings, and then you have all different stuff. On mine it's up on top. It has like network, then it has all this stuff. Sound. It has the ringtone and vibration controls, like text message sound, default notification. Just all different. Anyway, then display. That has more to do with your wallpaper and stuff, and I don't know. There was an extra step in there. You just have to, when you go to settings, make sure you go to sound and then ringtone, or audio and then ringtone, something like that.